Think your phone camera is good enough? Wait till you see the Tecno Phantom V Fold 2. With triple 50-megapixel cameras, this isn't just a smartphone, it's a pocket-sized professional photography kit. Let's explore how this device redefines mobile photography. The Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 is not just a foldable phone, it's a powerhouse for anyone who loves capturing stunning photos and videos. With advanced camera technology, it delivers a photography experience that feels effortless yet professional. Today, we'll dive into every detail of its camera system and see why it stands out in the world of smartphone photography. The Phantom V Fold 2 features a triple 50-megapixel rear camera setup, and trust me, each lens is a masterpiece. Starting with the main wide lens, it boasts an aperture of f/1.9, which allows it to capture incredible light and detail, even in low-light conditions. Thanks to optical image stabilization, night shots remain crisp and free of blur, ensuring that every photo you take is worth sharing. But that's not all. The 50MP telephoto lens is designed for those who love close-up photography. With 2x optical zoom, you can capture your subject with precision and clarity. Portraits look stunning, with the subject standing out against a beautifully blurred background, creating a professional look without needing extra editing. And if you love capturing the bigger picture, the ultra-wide lens has you covered. This 50MP sensor is perfect for group photos, architectural shots, or breathtaking landscapes. The distortion-free edges and sharp details make every wide-angle shot look like it's been taken with a DSLR. Now, moving to the front, the Tecno Phantom V Fold 2's selfie game is equally strong. The 32MP front-facing camera works on both the foldable display and the cover screen, so you're always selfie-ready. Daylight selfies are sharp with natural skin tones, and even in low-light settings, the built-in AI processing ensures your face is well lit and clear. And for all the video enthusiasts, this phone doesn't disappoint. It records in 4K at 30 frames per second, providing smooth stabilization and excellent audio quality. Whether you're vlogging, shooting cinematic clips, or just capturing daily moments, the Phantom V Fold 2 delivers impressive results. So, whether you're a photography lover, a social media creator, or just someone who appreciates high-quality images and videos, the Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 has everything you need. From its triple 50MP camera set up to its stellar 4K video capabilities, this device transforms the way you capture the world around you. Are you ready to take your photography to the next level with the Tecno Phantom V Fold 2?